Hello everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. Guys, if you haven't already, consider subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. Behind us are some new products. Let's check out the unboxing of them first. Oh yeah. All right, everybody, so we are checking out some new products. Now, this is from a company called Lithium. And they have a variety of products now available through Car Guy Supplies. So we're going to look at a few of them today. Basically, just the unboxing and checking out of these new products. Really nice packaging, and we're going to look at what each of these products does. Let's start with this one. So, Luster Lube goes together with their clay bar, their 4-clay, and this stuff smells like coconuts. It is amazing. It smells like the beach. So this is their lubricant. Let's see what it says here. It is the soulmate of 4-clay. Premium spray detailer. So pretty basic directions on here as a spray detailer. The usual, spraying onto the panel, wiping off. It does say that it has amazing depth of shine and hydrophobic qualities. So really nice looking product. We'll see how that works. Let's take a quick look at the clay bar. See what type of clay we're dealing with. Nice packaging again. Now it says here, this little warning label. It says lithium clay is some of the stickiest stuff on the planet. To store it, you must add water to this box and store it in the water, or place the clay in a plastic bag. Failure to do this makes it a real pain in the many symbols to remove for later use. Okay, good to know. I wonder if it's similar to AM clay. So I won't open that now. I will open that when we use this clay bar. So let's put it back in its little package. So let's look at their next one, the Hyper Cleanse. This is their premium cleaner. Ah, I see. It's actually designed as a leather cleaner. So, and that's good because we have some leather conditioning products right here we're going to talk about. So their Hyper Cleanse, it says safe for all surfaces, solvent-free, formulated for leather. Okay, so that's good to know. A leather cleaner, and then finish with either the Hide Rehab or Leather Love. All right, so that sounds good. Now, let's just take a quick sniff. Oh, this stuff smells interesting. It almost smells like a rich, sweet-smelling leather. Okay, that's kind of a cool smell. I like that. Very interesting. I've never smelled a detail product smell like that before. You'll have to smell it for yourself. So, Hyper Cleanse. Next we have their Hide Rehab. Pretty liquidy. Going to remove the label here. So let's check it out. Comes with a nice little squeeze top here. So let's remove the little safety label and see what we're dealing with. Very neutral scent. Doesn't really smell strong at all. Almost like this, almost like their Hyper Cleanse, just a little bit more mild. Maybe I'll mix it up a little bit. Yeah, really no scent to speak of, which is fine. So this is their leather conditioner, UV protectant, non-oily, brings back the natural color, softens and restores. And this is designed to hydrate the leather. All right, really nice packaging. Again, beautiful. And you just have the nice little squeeze top here to apply to your applicator and apply onto the leather. Next, their trim serum. Obviously some sort of a trim restore and protector. All right, so pretty liquidy. It's got a little bit of viscosity to it. And let's see what it says. Restores to original color, formulated to outlast all others, shields against UV rays, soulmate of all rubbers and plastics. All right, it says it's the best formula ever concocted for bringing plastic and rubber back to life and keeping it healthy in the first place. Yeah, so it says it is a long-lasting trim restore. So that's good. No scent at all. Completely neutral, which is very interesting. Again, that's not a deal breaker, as long as it doesn't smell gross. All right, let's go to their gloss sauce. It says it's a carnauba wax, T1 carnauba wax. Not sure what the T1 means. Emulsified with natural oils, no solvents, aminofunctional polymers. Interesting, so it's a type of polymer wax protection. Ultra premium wax protectant is what it says there. All right, so it looks like a pretty strong wax protectant. So let's see. Yeah, it's got kind of like a nice cherry smell to it. Pretty thick viscosity. Okay, that's a pleasant smell to work with. Gloss sauce. And let's look at their seal and squeal. So this, I believe, is more of a sealant. So they have their wax and then they have their sealant. And of course, it seems like these are formulated to be very strong products, not your typical wax or sealant type of products. So their seal and squeal, insane sealant polish. So probably an all-in-one polish. That's kind of funny. What type of name is that? It says chock full of active amino polymers, protects for up to 12 months. That's interesting. Nanotechnology squared, unmatched shine, unmatched protection. Okay, so it looks like this is supposed to be a pretty strong sealant. That's pretty awesome. So let's see. Kind of smells like their wax. Just a very, very light fruity smell to it. So each of them has the nice little squeeze top. I wasn't sure what to expect with the bottles here, but that's pretty nice. You might be able to switch out a different top if you wanted. Now let's look at their Leather Love. Now this seems to be more than just a conditioner because it's in a paste form. Oh, interesting. Neutral smell, nothing really there. It's almost like a wax or a balm for your leather. So let's see what it says here. Insane leather restore, save your hide, literally. Okay, so this looks like this is for leather that is super, super dry. Maybe this would work good on, say, those Ford King Ranch leathers, or just really, really thirsty leather. So we'll try that out. That's pretty cool. So this is more of a conditioner. This is more of a leather restore product. Very interesting. Let's just read the directions really fast to see if this is something like a leathery type of product where you apply it, let it sit and soak in. So it says use a lint-free cloth, rub a small amount into the surface, allow contents to remain for 30 to 60 minutes, and then buff dry. Okay, so interesting. It's supposed to hydrate the leather like that. Let's see what the Hide Rehab says. This says it has vitamin E, shea butter, aloe, and coconut. Just a few of the things that are in there. to clean it, and then apply with a soft microfiber cloth using circular motions. Rub off excess with a dry and clean microfiber towel. For really damaged leather, use a liberal amount of product and allow it to sit on the surface for several minutes. The longer it sits, the more it moisturizes. Then rub dry. For maybe leathers that aren't super damaged, for leathers that are super damaged. All right, guys, so that is it for the new products. Really excited to check these out. Guys, check out carguysupplies.com. Pick up these products there and check them out for yourself. We will be using these products hopefully in the next couple of weeks and give you our thoughts on them. Now, I'm going to be using these most likely on both mobile jobs and here on my own vehicle. So we'll see how these products hold up. It's hard to test durability on some of our mobile jobs because once we detail them, we usually don't see them again for a long time. We'll probably put some of these products on our own vehicle and test them. Same with the trim restore. Our leather in our vehicle is pretty good, but I'll still check out these products and apply them and see if it changes anything. And then we'll use the clay bar on our own vehicle because I think down in our lower panels, there's a little bit of roughness. Not too bad. I'm keeping up on decontaminating our own vehicle. All right, guys, so that's it for the Lithium Ultra Premium Elixirs. That's kind of a cool name for these products. So beautiful packaging, very excited to start using them. And like we mentioned, we're going to use them in our mobile jobs and on our own vehicle here to test them out and really see how they perform. I am a mobile detailer primarily, so I need products that work outdoors in the elements, even in the sun. Yes, we work on vehicles in full sun because sometimes that's just what you have to do. So we need products that work in the sun on hot cars inside and out of the vehicle. So we'll be sure to let you know what we think of these new products. And if you want to pick up any of these products, guys, visit carguysupplies.com and pick some of this stuff up. They have a ton of products right now and they're continuing to get more and more. So let me know what you think when you pick up some of these products. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.